At the heart of Japanese cuisine is dashi. Did you know that its flavor in origin of the word umami? In 1908, Professor Kikunae Ikeda discovered glutamine in kombu dashi, naming this taste umami and identifying it as a new fifth basic taste. Dashi offers pure umami with almost no fat, while the broth is rich and earthy with fat and gelatin. In the West, there is a preference for rich and multi-layer flavor base, created by simmering aromatic vegetables, herbs, and meat together. In Japan, the aim is to bring the natural flavor of the ingredients, so dashi itself is kept simple and clear in taste, with the seasoning like miso or soy sauce added to enhance the flavor. Dashi provides depth even with less salt and enhanced seasonal flavors. Ramen and miso soup, both familiar even in the United States, are built upon the foundation of dashi, which is the key to the umami flavor in Japanese cuisine. In Japan, prior to 1970s and 1980s, it was common for households to keep dry bonito and other dashi ingredients on hand, making the stock from the scratch at home. Kayanoya dashi isn't just for Japanese dishes. It's perfect for salad, pasta, and stir fries, bringing everyday umami to your table.